at the InterContinental. We had a bit of a, I'll just call it a mix-up. The first room we went to, which is actually one floor below us, it wasn't serviced, so we went back down to the front desk and talked to them, and they put us in a different room that is serviced. Alright, so right when you walk in, you do have a bathroom, just a water closet, that's all. Just a toilet and a sink. Very good lighting in here. Hello. And then we do have a closet space, which is nice. So it looks like those are some pull-out drawers there. And that's going to be your closet space. Got your router up there in the top corner. And then you have like a wet bar, and do we have a fridge in here? And a fridge. Okay, alright. That fridge isn't opening. That's cool. We'll troubleshoot that in a little while. But you do have an espresso maker right here. This bad boy. And you do have your Nespresso pods. Alright, moving on. We opted for a view of the Hollywood sign, so it's out there somewhere. I just can't see it. Oh, there it is. I may have to zoom in on that later. But we are on the 62nd floor. We're up here pretty high. Nice view. You see it?
No.
Right over there. So, that's right. See where those towers are? Mm-hmm. That's where the Hollywood sign is. Yeah. It's very small. All right. Moving on. We do have a couch right over here with a coffee table and LG flat screen TV. Looks to be maybe about 55, almost 60. That's going to be my thing. I'm going to eyeball the TVs from now on. See how big they are. All right, and we have some more views of downtown Los Angeles. All right, moving on some more. This is a door that's going to close. That leads off to the bedroom. We originally booked a executive suite, and we got upgraded, or we upgraded. We chose to upgrade. We had to pay for our own upgrade to the one bedroom club level. So I guess we have club level amenities, which is just upgraded toiletries. All right, moving on. And that is going to be the king size bed. It is huge. We don't need that much of a bed. We sleep in a queen. So one person's going to be like way over here, one person's going to be way over there. And another TV. This one is a Samsung flat screen. That looks to be maybe 55. Yeah, I'd say that's 55. Anyway, we have our bags propped up on it for now. So far, I still even have my backpack on. But hello again. Moving on to the bathroom. Looks like it's a jetted tub. Got some nice jets in there. Jetted tub. And it has like a hand. I'm not sure. What is this? A hand. Anyway, it's the spray, like a shower handle. Yeah. Okay. Something like that. And there's your upgraded amenities here. You also have one shower here. Actually, that's your only shower. I thought the other one was a shower too. It's not. It's just a toilet. And then we have your toilet over here. It's going to be behind this one. It's frosted glass. What? All right. That's neat. Neat. Very neat. And then looks like we have a TV and that's going to turn on, maybe. Okay. Might not be him. All right, no worries, no worries. We'll check it out. But these are all your upgraded toiletries here. All right. I like it. I like it. All your bath towels. Has a nice bathrobe here. Alright, this is the InterContinental in downtown Los Angeles. Welcome, folks. It's Pouring Yeti here. We'll be back a little bit later. We're gonna get settled in. Might even take a bath. I don't know. But we're hungry. So maybe settle in or maybe go eat and then go take a bath. And then we also have reservations later at 9 p.m. at Spire 73. That is the restaurant on top of the InterContinental here. So we're gonna have some drinks, maybe some appetizers, and enjoy our time here. This is our day trip. So, you know, we're not gonna get too wild, I don't think. Who knows? Alright. We'll get back to you a little bit later. See you guys in a bit.